Divorce mediation is a cost-effective and quite honestly a recommended way for people to resolve their marital differences. How divorce mediation works is that the litigants, in essence, retain a mediator together. They both make the decision to go and seek out the assistance of a mediator. I've conducted hundreds of economic mediations successfully. What happens is that I conduct an initial consult with both parties, and I explain to them the process. And the process entails the both of them retaining me to act as a neutral, as a third party to help them resolve their differences. During a mediation, I sit down with the parties, I review their finances, I try to establish what their respective goals are, and we work together collaboratively to come up with an agreement. If a mediation is successful, at the conclusion of the mediation, I would then draft what's called a memorandum of understanding, which will in essence act as an outline for a comprehensive settlement agreement. Mediation is cost effective because the litigants are only paying one attorney, the mediator, as opposed to both attorneys at the same time. And then once the mediation is successfully concluded, I would encourage the litigants to retain mediation-friendly attorneys. I would then forward the memorandum of understanding to one of the parties' attorneys, who would then incorporate my outline into a comprehensive settlement agreement, which would then be reviewed by the other spouse's attorney. So in essence, a typical divorce wherein a typical litigated divorce wherein the parties would pay a $5,000 retainer to each respective attorney, so you'd be upfront $10,000 retainer. In a mediated case, it's conceivable that the cost would be significantly less. The mediator gets paid on an hourly basis, usually on a at a per session rate. And subsequent to that, the litigation attorneys, if they know that the case has already been resolved before it comes to them, will charge a reduced retainer as well.